Hello guys. Hey, what's going on?
Shh. You are not able to speak Filipino. You can only speak English. Now, go. You can speak.
Hey,
Wow.
bro.
Did you only got 10 minutes to do that, Abby?
Hey, say hello. Hello
She-
guys.
He already...
Hey,
Oh.
bro, you have to jump.
Yeah, you need to jump.
You don't know how to play Roblox, aren't you? You are already a pro at Roblox, but you keep dying. Jump,
Go.
jump.
Go.
Now wait for jump, jump, jump.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it without jumping. Careful not to. Okay, don't touch the yellow. If you touch the yellow, I'm gonna be mad at you. Really, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared of lightning.
That's just thunder. That's just thunder.
No, that's lightning. That's the sound of lightning. Did our cats just get struck by lightning?
Wow,
Okay.
nice.
I wish I could do a cat review, but I can't. Hey, bro!
Bro, here. Let me help. You're not able to speak Filipino, I told you.
Yeah. And also, we also got exposed. We got exposed by the survey.
Yeah, true. That creepy survey, that's totally ordinary.
Yeah, how did they know where you live?
They asked it from Roblox to them. That's a kill break. So
Yeah, don't you dare touch the kill brick. Oh,
Yo,
nice.
nice.
Nice, bro, even though you're 5 years old.
Bro, you expressed his age, idiot.
Bro, I'm not an idiot. I'm smart. I'm reality the best.
Tete is supposed to
I'm reality the best
Jen,
student in the world.
shut up, Jen.
I do not know who's Jen.
Tete is the only one that is
But
able to talk. Tete is the only
why are you
kid
talking?
that I suck at English.
I do.
Okay. Tete, you're...
This is how you do it. I said this is what you do.
Ow, bro!
You die.
Tete, you're the only kid that you... Wait. No, wait.
You do it. Let's see how
Okay.
good are you.
Okay. Tete, you're the only person that can speak. That is able to speak. Jejen, you're not able to speak.
Yeah, I know.
Me too.
Why did you speak?
Shh. Tito, why don't you speak?
Yeah. I think I'm a to this.
Oh, bro.
We just pushed that girl. I'm a karate. Why did it not a coffee, but it's a toffee?
Why don't you go to the...
Like a stupid cube on the site, but it's not.
Tete, you only got...
What, man? There's a timer.
If I said Tete, if I said stop, you need to end the video and you need to say bye, okay?
Yep.
Later. Oh, bro. Oh, wait. Who's Sura?
You're not allowed to eat that.
Oh, wow.
You're not allowed to eat that. You better stop eating that or else I'll spicy. Anyway. Ako na, Ton. Ako na. I don't want to eat that. Okay.
Did you after two stages? You need to end your video because I'm running out of memory.
Yeah, you should be fast. Oh yeah. Kinda look like a short because it's 2 minutes. Look at this. I jumped. I jumped.
Okay, Tim, you need to say bye. Tim, it's the end. You need to say bye.
So, okay, I enough this game. But bye.